Hi guys, bright sunny morning, so we can have a look and see what I've done to try and repair the plastic chassis on the Mercedes-Benz McLaren SLR. I used superglue, and the white dust you can see there is baking powder that I've used to reinforce the superglue. It's not going to last because the plastic is flexible and the reinforcement is rigid, so as soon as the plastic flexes a little bit it will break away the reinforcement, but it should be enough for me to actually get it together and let it run a bit. You probably see the white line there where the glue line is. And all the bottom of this was broken away as well. So yeah, we'll see if it works. Well, I've no doubt it'll work, but only for a while until it cracks. Right, that's back together. It goes under there. That's it. Right, just looking under there, I've just found a crack that I didn't glue on that side. I don't know if we can see that with the light shining. Sunlight's a bit bright at the moment, but I missed that. So, a bit more gluing. I'll put the screws back in anyway. Back together. Let's go and try it somewhere.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have two shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.